What's up, guys? This is Pastor Canayo again. We're coming up with another tutorial. This is an easy PC one. It's a floating text. We're going to be using CSS animations. So, it's about developing more skills with this one. Like, every day it's going to help you a little bit more. Get into the hard stuff later. But yeah, I spelled wrong the frame thing. That's how it's not going to be. The end results of this floating text. We're going to be changing that. But anyway, please subscribe to the channel. That really helping your journey to become a web developer. Little by little, learning new things, develop more skills. If you're pretty new, just go ahead and check the other videos that I have. I have I have done tutorials about different languages like C Sharp, Java, JavaScript, and C++. Go ahead and check those videos too. That really helps you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We have 55 subscribers as of now. We want to increase that. All right, cool. We're trying just to put a video every single day, one or two. We'll see. All right, let's get started right now with this floating text. This is the end results of the text, floating text. All right, are you ready? All right, let's do it. Let's see it. Let's close this one right here. I got my text editor ready. So I got ready to go. So let's get rid of this. We're going to be using dep, and we're going to be giving a name to that class. It's going to be a container. If I can spell container, and we're going to do h1. So what should we put right here? So let's do welcome to the channel. Let's just do that. Welcome to the channel. Let's do a break. Let's just do subscribe to the channel. Welcome to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, let's do subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's save that and let's refresh it. Let's see. Okay, welcome to the channel, subscribe to the channel. All right, so that's going to be our main text right there. All right, now let's go ahead and give some style to our floating text. Okay, so continuous a class. We're going to do container brackets. So, and we are going to start with height. Just going to give it a height. Let's go to do we're going to be using the viewport numbers right here. We're going to be a ph for view height. Then we're going to be using display flex. So justify content. Justify content, we're going to do center. So we're going to do align items. Maybe if I can spell items, we're going to do center too. And then we're going to give it a background. Background is going to be we're going to use this value right here, 283CA6. So let's save. Let's see what we got. Okay, it's middle, and then the background is that color we were expecting. All right, so now let's go to our text. So let's do text align. We'll do center. So just to it's still it's gonna be there. Let's do color. Let's do white. Let's do a font family. Font, we're going to do Arial. Oh man. If I can spell Arial. Font family. So now we're going to do a font size. Man, I'm having so hard time. My keyboard's a little bit hard. I gotta get a new one. So 90 pixels or 90 pixels. Then line height, we're going to use 90 pixels. Let's see what we got so far. Oh, whoa. That's how it's going to look like. Okay. Maybe we should change it. It's going to be too long for text. Subscribe. Let's just do subscribe. What about there? There's something wrong right here. Let's see, align center, background. Let's see what I have wrong. There's something not working here. Let's see, align items. Yeah, text align is not working. See, I spelled it wrong. That's why it's not working. And that should be good. Okay. Cool beans. All right, that's what we wanted. Welcome to the channel. Subscribe. Okay, cool. So now we want, what else do we want? Line height is 90 pixels. So letter spacing. Let's do 15 pixels. So now, okay, let's see what we got so far. Cool, it's not too bad. I like it. Now let's do some text shadow. Okay, for the text shadow, we're going to have 4 values right here. We're going to be in the horizontal part, we're going to have a 0. Vertical, we're going to have a 1 pix. And then with the blur, it's going to be 0. And then we have the color. It's going to be a E, F, E, F, E, F. Okay. And let's just kind of copy this. So I need the comma right there. We're going to be changing values right here. Okay. Okay. One more. Okay, that's where it's going to end. Okay, we're going to be changing right here. For this one, we're going to be 3 pixels. For the next one, it's going to be 4. Next one is going to be 25. Right here, we're going to have 5 pixels. And right here, we're going to be changing RGB. So just to give it some dark, comma 0, comma 0, comma, some opacity at 3 right there. So let's see what we got. Nice, nice, not too bad, not too bad. I think it's good. What about we just change it right here to 30 pixels and the vertical, so which means it's going to come down a little bit more. Yeah, it did come down a little bit more. I think that's where it's going to be. All right, so now we gotta use animations. Gotta give a name. Okay, right there. I'm going to give it a name. We're going to do float. We're going to have 3 seconds. It's going to be linear, 1 speed. It's going to be infinite. Then we want this to alternate animation direction. Alternate. Okay. So that's doing nothing yet right there. Because we gotta make it work, and for that we gotta use a keyframe. Keyframes right there. We're going to be give it a name. We use float. Cool. So we want it from where do we want it? So let's see. We want it from transform. What do you want to do in transform? We're going to do this by rotate. It's going to be 5 degrees. And then 2 transform rotate, and we want -5 pixels. Oh, I mean pixels, degrees. What I'm talking about. What I'm talking about. Rotate, transform to, okay. Okay. Okay, it's going, right? That's what we wanted. Should we change the seconds? Let's just do 7. A lot slower. Should just do 1 second. It's going to be a lot faster. Yeah, that doesn't look 40 now. That looks like a banging something. Yeah, let's just keep it in 3 seconds. All right, sounds good. So that's pretty much the tutorial, guys. Hopefully this helped you out in your journey to become a web developer. But yeah, we started small, right? If you want to become big, you gotta start small. So awesome, thank you. So subscribe to the channel so we gotta increase that fan base that we have, that subscriber. All right, guys, have a good day. I will talk to you later with the next tutorial. Okay, bye bye.